Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Have you ever wondered what it takes to turn a sitcom around? Well, Shifting Gears found its gear in the most unexpected way. In episode 4, Tim Allen's character Matt and his daughter Riley finally confront their issues head on. It was a refreshing change from their usual clashes. And then the episode also gave the shop's team members a chance to shine. Sean William Scott's Gabe and Daryl Mitchell's Stitch got their own storylines, adding depth to the show. And previously, these characters were more like props, but now they're becoming real people with their own quirks and stories. Gabe, for instance, shows a vulnerable side as he steps up to lead the shop. Stitch, the resident prankster, offers a lighthearted touch bigger. He believes in aliens, but is a bit reserved about it. It's these little touches that make the show more engaging. By focusing on the auto shop and its inhabitants, Shifting Gears avoids falling into the trap of repetitive storylines. This shift could be just what the show needs to keep viewers hooked. Cynthia Quile's Frankie, though adds less prominent, adds a calming presence, balancing out the drama. The cast dynamics are what make the show truly shine. With new additions and returning characters, the future of Shifting Gears looks promising. Let's hope the show continues to lean on its hidden gems. That's not creating in scale test procedure, but doesn't really mean. Tune in to ABC on Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, or catch up on Hulu the next day, and don't miss out. If you enjoyed this, why not sign up for Screener Rant's weekly Network PD newsletter? You'll get exclusive insights straight from the actors and showrunners diff. And for a bit of fun, did you know that Stitch's theories are so wild? He once suggested aliens were behind the missing car parts. Plastic Stitch. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.